Welcome to this voice-activated elevator, the Intellivator. Please select language.
English.
English registered. Please select floor. 7 is registered. Please hold on.
It was like, it works.
Of course it worked. It is an Intellivator. Please do not take pictures of the Intellivator due to copyright restrictions, sir. Why are you still in the elevator? Please exit.
It's not open.
The door is open. Have a good day. We are now taking you to the 3rd floor.
No! Oh my god, no! Are we going to the 7? You can...
We are now at the 7th floor.
It's a 6. One more.
That's all behind this thing.
But it was close enough, wasn't it?
How about go to 3?
Knock knock. Who's there?
Level 3.
Level 3 who? That was a joke. You are not laughing. Did you not find my joke funny?
No.
Please select language.
Saving.
Saving is not a language. Español. Tenemos un poquito de problemas. Un momento. Me quiero a 7. Me quiero a 7. No problemas ni elevadores. Vamos conjuntos. Vamos conjuntos. Quiz elevator registered.
You are now in the quiz elevator. The only way to get to your destination floor is to answer correctly on all 10 answers.
Oh my god, this is going to take forever.
First question. How many
Liters
in a
US gallon.
No way! Oh my god, I don't know. 25.
25 is a good guess, but a wrong answer.
Oh my god, how do I get those?
Next question. How many millimeters in a meter?
Okay, so there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter and 100,000.
1000 is correct.
Yes!
Congratulations. Moving to next floor. Next question. How many
Pounds.
in a...
Kilogram.
Oh no. You know, I haven't slept for like 20 hours. I can't believe you're asking me these questions. 20.
Sorry, returning to 2nd floor.
No! Why don't you ask me a question like, what is my age? Or something like that.
What is your age? Or something like that.
Excellent! Excellent. Okay, I'm 38.
38
It's
is
the
correct.
correct answer!
Moving to 11th floor.
Excellent!
What floor do you want to go to?
The 10th floor.
Yes.
None of the floors in this hotel are 10s at the moment.
Please select language.
German.
Japanese selected. One moment.
This is a clapping elevator. Please clap the amount of corresponding to your selected floor. 7th floor, registered.
Anyone else?
Ja, schat het school.
13. To open the door, please clap twice. 2 claps registered, taking you to 2nd floor.
Open the door.